Welcome to the tiny Italian crostini and cocktail party, where you find Italian-inspired sexy bites and fabulous saucy cocktails. This week we'll be bringing a little bit of Italian sunshine with some great Italian produce, Parma Ham, Parmigiano Reggiano and some lovely tomatoes on the vine. Bringing a little bit of citrus, some lime and orange. And then for our cocktail we've got some Campari and Sambuca. First we're going to prepare our with Parmigiano Reggiano, Parma Ham and some tomatoes. First, get some bread, whether it's sourdough, ciabatta or French bread, and then brush it with olive oil on both sides. Now bake it in the oven for about 5-8 minutes at 200 degrees. In the meantime, chop up some tomatoes. Place your tomatoes in a bowl. Now grab some basil and just with your hands tear it up. Add a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and then season with a little pinch of salt. Next, take your piece of bread out of the oven after it's been in there for about 5 minutes and then grate some Parmigiano Reggiano on top. Put plenty on. Don't be shy with your cheese. Look at that. Now we're popping that back in the oven for another 5 minutes. I've removed my cheesy bread out of the oven. Now I'm going to place gorgeous slices of Parma ham on top. Then I'm going to place some of these tomatoes on top like so. And a little pinch of salt. And look how beautiful that is. Absolutely stunning. Like that is, if that isn't Italy on a crostini, I don't know what is, do you know what I'm saying? But before I have a bite, let's move on to our cocktail. So this week's cocktail is called Rossodisera, the red knife. Very saucy and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be using Italian booze, Campari and Sambuca to make up this cocktail. First you need to get a chilled mixing glass. Then you finally tear a little bit of fresh basil, a little bit of thyme and a little bit of rosemary. Then you want to add 10 ml of Sambuca, 30 ml of Campari, 30 ml of freshly squeezed orange juice, 10 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. Add ice until the ice is above the booze. You give it a little bit of a mix. Give it a bit of a taste. Ooh, delish. Now you need to get a chilled tumbler. Back in the mo. I'm back with my chilled tumbler. Fill it up with you fill it up with ice. Bloody hell. Now get a strainer and pour your drink into your tumbler. Now we're gonna add a little bit more herbs. So grab basil leaf, get a little bit of thyme, get a little bit of rosemary, then wrap your thyme and rosemary round your basil leaf like so. Fancy, right? Place that in your glass like so. Now we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of lemon garnish. Give it a little bit of a squeeze, rub your glass like so. That is a Rossodisera. Taste test time! Oh, absolutely beautiful. Look at the gorgeous colour on that. And it's absolutely stunning. Oh, I'm going to have a little sip. I actually think it matches my outfit. Not like I did it on purpose or anything, do you know what I mean? So here you have it. You've got a gorgeous Parma ham, Parmigiano Reggiano and tomato crostini with a gorgeous Rossodisera cocktail. Enjoy, my bambinos!